Those of you who tried to export Vroid GLB file to FBX with textures might be frustrated by now, so here's a tutorial on how to do that. Please subscribe and leave a like if you find my tutorials helpful, and let's get started. I've exported a Vroid VRM file and changed its extension to GLB like I showed in my previous tutorial. If you're just staying in Blender, all's fine, but the textures are not actually physically present at this point. Just the information. So what we need to do is unpack resources first. Go to File, External Data, and choose Unpack Resources. Then choose Use Files in Current Directory, Create when necessary, option. This has created a folder called Textures where your Blender file is saved, and you can see that all textures are now unpacked into this folder. Importing a model from a different software and exporting again to different formats can lead to shader problems. What we now need to do is fix our materials so that Blender can understand them and export to FBX the right way. Let's take a look at the hair first. We just need this image texture node, so let's delete the rest. Then Shift-A to add a principled BSDF node and a material output node. All you need to do now is connect these nodes. Let's copy these two nodes and repeat the process for other materials. We'll go through these body and clothes materials first. Do you see this weird black area? This is because it's not being transparent like it should. You can just connect the image texture nodes alpha to principled BSDF's alpha. I went through the same process for the face, and the model is now ready to export. Go to File, Export, and choose FBX. When the dialog window opens, make sure you choose Copy for Path Mode and enable this Embed button. I've checked selected objects and mesh. Let's go to Mixamo's website now and try to upload this FBX model. See how all of our textures are included in this FBX file? Finally, let's hide the original model and import Mixamo's FBX file back into Blender. What the? I know. One last step: when we import the FBX file we auto-rigged from Mixamo's website. Just select the material and scroll down to uncheck this Show Backface option. Do this for all materials and you're finally set. Hope this tutorial kinda sort of mitigated your frustration, and thanks for watching, guys.